Axxair 200. Also in stock the Axxair 201. Both machines will take other heads. At present this one's connected to AMI, but you can also take Orbitalum and Polysoude and possibly one or two others. As you can see, the AMI head working, 9750. Also the 82000 will also work. From the SAXX-200, also the 201. Heads are all interchangeable through the adapter cables. Makes a very universal power source. If you've already got AMI heads or other makes, then this power source can obviously work your heads as well. It also calibrates with this machine. Normal printout. As you can see on there, AMI 9AF 750 head. More to follow. Thank you for looking.